Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be opening up a fuel filter. So this has been in my car since I got it, so over 2 years. So I think it's got maybe 40,000 miles on it. I'm not really sure, but yeah, so I'm going to take it apart and see exactly what's inside of it and how dirty it is. Yeah, so stick with me and let's get started. So I think what I'm going to do is try to take the top off it. Hopefully it'll come off easy with the pliers. I think we're just going to bite the bullet then and saw it off. Okay, so there's the filter itself. You see it's as black can be, and I think it's supposed to be white, because when I scrub off there you can see the white inside, so it's actually kind of like oil in there. Yeah, that's like oil, and there is bits of grit and dirt. Now some of that is going to be because I just cut the top off it, but not all of it. So when I open up the insides like that, you can see little small pieces of grit. You can see a lot of it there, that's came from up here, but the likes of here, you can see it all the way down in here. So there's a lot of little pieces of grit. You can actually feel it in your fingers. So that's obviously been sucked up through the tank, and luckily there's a filter, because otherwise it would be clogged up the whole time. So for as the way it works, as far as I can understand, diesel comes in through this one, goes down to the bottom of the filter, fills it up, so the outside is soaked in diesel, and then on the inside then you have this one sucking out the diesel up through the center, so it pulls all the diesel from the outside onto the inside, and then hopefully you get clean diesel coming out the top. Yeah, so very important piece to change on your cars. Okay, so that's the end of the video. As you can see, it's pretty dirty in there. I feel a bit bad that I haven't changed it in so long, considering it's so important to the running of the car. Yeah, so don't do what I do and change your fuel filters a bit more regularly. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.